Hello and welcome back to yet another video by RPM Revelations. So behind me is a car that you commonly find in the usual busy traffic, where all you want to do is just get to office before your boss makes your Swift look more desirable because of the salary cuts, of course. Get it? Because Swift desirable. Anyway, behind me is a Skoda Kushaq, and what makes this car unique is that it's a Monte Carlo edition by Skoda. The Monte Carlo addition to this car makes it look sporty and ready for action at all times. As you can see, there's D-chrome on all the panels of the car, which you normally don't find in the common Kushaq. Makes this thing look beautiful, while the DRLs complete the mean look. Under the hood, this thing has a 1.5 TSI Evo engine, which is a 4-cylinder engine. It has 147 HP and 250 Nm of torque. It's a front-wheel drive car, which has DQ200 gearbox. Fun fact about this gearbox is that it used to be extremely unreliable until Volkswagen fixed it, and now it's good to go. When it comes to the exterior part of the car, this thing stands strong with 17-inch wheels, which has the same style rims as the VRS 245s. And when it comes to the overall look of the car, it is a dual-tone car with LED projector lamps and blacked out accents and Monte Carlo badging done all over the car. And of course, the Tornado Red, which makes your typical Malu auntie's lipstick look like a wax crayon.
Exterior aside, we have a beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with steering mounted controls, and it's got paddle shifters as well. And this car gets front ventilated seats. For the infotainment system, we have a 10-inch touchscreen display and a digital instrument cluster. And the Monte Carlo gets a subwoofer as well.
Alright guys, overall this car is a perfect car for city life, as you can speed through highways as well as enjoy the city with comfort and economy, as the company claims it to be 18 kilometers per litre. However, the owners claim it to be 8 to 9 kilometers per litre in the city, as well as 14 to 15 kilometers per litre on the highways depending upon the driver and the traffic. It's also equipped with a ton of safety, as it's got disc brakes in the front and drum brakes at the back. However, the drum brakes perform better than most disc brakes of this segment. Also, when it comes to the safety of this car, it's packed with 6 airbags and has a global NCAP rating of 5 stars. Overall, this is the perfect mixture of sport and comfort. Alright guys, now that we've reached the end of this video, I hope you all like it and this new format, considering we've surely got more to come. Again, please do make sure to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, peace.